Come here, boy. Ducky, hey, hey, come here. Come on. You want to be on camera? Can I interview you? How many kids you have? You got 4. What is your name? Huh? What is your name of your kid? Is it a boy or female? Huh? What sex is it? Yeah, what's up, man? We got Ducky, right? Yeah. Man, this is beautiful. What's up, Ducky? Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come here. Come here, boy. Yeah, good boy. Good girl. Huh? Can I pet your son or your daughter or your transgender duck? What sex is a duck? Is your son? Is it a male or female? Come here, boy. Come here. Come here. Yeah, where you going, huh? Where you going? Where you going, Ducky? Hey. Where you going? Huh? Come here. Hey. Hey. Hey, come here. Where you going? Don't walk away from me. Come here. Come here. Come here, boy. Come here. Hey. Ducky. Ducky. Hey. Today I'm interviewing a ducky, man. He got 4 babies. The mom not too happy. I'm getting too close. Come here, boy. Come here. What's that mean, huh? What's that mean? What's that mean, huh? What's that mean? Huh? You don't like camera? You don't want me on camera? Well, you want to be famous on my channel? Huh? Come here, girl. Yeah. What's up, girl? Come here. Come here. Yeah. Today we harassing the ducky. Is that a duck or geese? What are they? Come here, boy. Come here. Hey. I won't catch you, man. I won't grab you by the neck. Come here. Come here. Hey, hey, come here. Come here, girl. Hey, what's up, man? What's going on? You enjoying the sunshine too, huh? Huh? Come here. Hey. Yeah. Ducky just hanging out. I'm sorry, man. I don't know the name of this bird. Are they duck or the seagull? The mama don't like me getting too close, man. Yeah. Hey, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, boy. Hey, come here. What's that mean, huh? You trying to take my head off, huh? Huh? You trying to take my head off? Come here. Hey. Why you sticking your tongue out? I'm gonna catch you and take you to Chinatown. We're gonna have a roast duck. $29.99. You want me to do that? Huh? I'll take both of you and your 4 kids. Yeah. Don't stick your tongue out at me. Don't be sticking your tongue out at me. Don't be sticking your tongue at me. No, don't do it. Huh? What's that mean, huh? Huh? Come here, boy. Come here. Huh? Oh, you angry, huh? Look at the 4 little cute baby, huh? He eats some grass. Come here, boy. No, I'm not gonna hurt you, man. And you know this. Huh? Don't be sticking no tongue at me. You hear me? Yeah. I'm gonna grab you by your neck. All right? Bring you to Chinatown. We're gonna take all your feather. We're gonna throw you on the barbecue pit. You want me to do that? For $39.99? Nah, we're not gonna do that. Come here, boy. Come here. Come here, ducky. Hey. Hey. Come here, come here.
อ
hanging out by the shore here at Elkai. Come here, boy. I know you're trying to protect your kid, huh? Huh? Oh, look at the baby one, huh? He go scratch his mom booty. Yeah, look how close they are to me, folks. Yeah, that what's up, man. Look at the boy, he's sticking his head in his mama butt. His mama just chilled. The father right here, the big one, the father. What's your name, father? Huh? Yeah. They're like, boy, leave my son alone. Oh, we're gonna have problem. Huh? Come here. What's the other one doing? Try to pick a fight, man. They stick your tongue out. Get off me. Huh? Come here. Come on. Grab you by your neck. You're not going nowhere, huh? You staying there, huh? Come on. We get a little closer. Don't take my hat off. Alright. There you go. Look at that little baby. Yeah. Huh? Get a little closer. Don't you attack me. I got my hand because I'm gonna choke you. Come here. I got snack in the car. You want some snack? Are you the father or the mother? Are you a straight? Are you a transgender duck? Is this geese or duck? What are they? The name? Oh. Is this a duck or what? A duck? I don't know what they call it.
Canadian goose.
Huh?
Canadian goose.
Huh?
Canadian.
Yeah.
Goose. Canadian goose.
I don't know.
Goose. Goose from Canada.
Oh, goose. Yeah, goose, yeah. That's the mother. The one sit down, the mother. The father. No. What you gonna do, huh? What you gonna do? Oh, he angry now. Where you going? In my country we eat. Chinatown. Yeah, duck. Come on, boy. Stick his tongue out. Go away. Go. Go home. It's for my channel.
On YouTube?
Yeah. Like, don't you come close, boy. I'm gonna come this way. At the father. Oh yeah. What's up, mother? Yeah. It's okay. Okay, I won't hurt you. Yeah. I want to say hi to your son. Okay. Oh, don't hit my camera, no. Get him, boy. Get him. Get him. Tonight we're going to take him to Chinatown. Come here. Get him, boy. Get him. Get him. Who's that? Who's that? No? Come here. Don't be sticking your tongue out at me. Huh? Protect your little one, huh? Really?
Yeah, that camera kind of looks like one. How did they react? Yeah.
What's your son's name?
I like them. They come from way up north.
Yeah, from Canada?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, these geese are goose.
Geese, yeah, Canadian
It's
goose.
big.
It's a tomato thing, yeah.
Yeah.
Geese, goose.
No, the same, right? Duck, no.
Yeah.
Pretty much the same.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put it on my
Okay.
YouTube channel.
Oh yeah, nice. I think that bigger one, he's the one. Yeah, they've got to be the male, maybe.
Yeah, the male. Yeah. He like. So why do you like it?
Oh yeah, I seen that. It's when he talking to her, yeah.
Yeah, I'm trying to. Is your son a male or female? Like is he friend or whatever?
Right. They got a nice spot, yeah.
Yeah.
Their property, yeah.
I like the baby one.
Yeah, they're cute little buggers.
Don't get in the way. Don't get in the way of the Chinese. Or it's gonna be in a barbecue. Hey, come here. You get out my camera, huh? Go away, go, ducky. Canadian goose. This is my area. All right, go back to Canada. Go back to Canada. Go. Yeah. Okay, that's enough.